Get ready, creators, because the DJI Pocket 4 is about to change the game. DJI has once again proven that creativity has no limits, packing professional-grade filmmaking power into a device that fits right in your pocket. The Pocket 4 just appeared in a jaw-dropping 3D render, and it's already turning heads across the tech world. With the bold slogan, "Make art, not war," DJI is sending a strong message. This tiny powerhouse isn't just another gadget. It's a tool for expression, storytelling, and pushing creative boundaries. From upgraded optics and advanced stabilization to a design that's smarter and sleeker than ever before, the Pocket 4 is here to inspire creators everywhere. Whether you're vlogging, shooting cinematic travel films, or capturing fast-paced action, this compact beast has your back. You're watching Technify, and today we're diving deep into everything that makes the DJI Pocket 4 one of the most exciting creative tools we've seen in years. So sit tight, because this one's going to be amazing. The DJI Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most impressive compact cameras ever made. It takes everything great about the Pocket 3 and dials it up to 11. At the heart of this tiny dynamo is a dual-lens camera system, a first for the Pocket lineup. The setup reportedly includes a 24mm wide lens and a 70mm zoom lens, giving users the freedom to capture wide cinematic shots and detailed close-ups without needing extra gear. This combination offers unmatched versatility, especially for creators who like to shoot on the go. Adding to that is a 3-axis gimbal powered by an enhanced AI stabilization algorithm. DJI has refined the system to keep footage incredibly smooth, even when filming fast-moving scenes like running, jumping, or handheld tracking shots. The result? Footage so steady, it looks like it was shot on a professional rig. But it's not just about what's under the hood. The design itself has evolved. The Pocket 4 reportedly features a vertical and horizontal switching display, making it perfect for both cinematic video and social content. Vloggers, TikTokers, and filmmakers alike will love the fluid transition between shooting formats. There's also a new 3D remote sensor button for precise control and a PTZ lock button that keeps your camera angle steady, even during fast pans or movements. One of the standout features is the integrated tripod, cleverly built right into the handle. No more carrying extra mounts or accessories. This simple addition makes it far easier to set up shots anywhere, anytime. Now, let's talk about that rumored dual camera system in more detail. Early reports suggest that the right lens may house a 1-inch sensor, which would be a major leap in image quality. Expect richer detail, better color depth, and incredible low-light performance. The second lens might serve as a telephoto zoom or a depth sensor for 3D awareness, allowing for smarter autofocus and enhanced AR features. DJI may also be deepening its partnership with Hasselblad, potentially bringing that legendary color science straight into the Pocket 4. If true, expect footage that looks cinematic right out of the camera. No heavy color grading required. The 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen is another big upgrade. It offers 480 by 800 resolution and 800 nits of brightness, making it bright and easy to view even under direct sunlight. And with rumored support for Active Track 7.0, the Pocket 4 could combine phase detection and eye tracking for flawless subject focus, even during unpredictable movement. Performance-wise, this device is rumored to shoot 4K video at up to 240 frames per second, unlocking ultra-smooth slow-motion capabilities. Combine that with hybrid mechanical and electronic stabilization, and you get footage that feels incredibly natural and stable, even in extreme conditions. Weighing around 190 grams, the Pocket 4 remains portable while feeling more solid and refined. The frame is slightly larger to accommodate its new hardware, but the design remains sleek, compact, and ready to go anywhere. All in all, the DJI Pocket 4 feels less like a handheld camera and more like a creative studio in your pocket. A device built to inspire those who love to capture the world differently. And there you have it, the DJI Pocket 4, a true leap forward in pocket-sized creativity. With its powerful dual camera setup, re-engineered gimbal system, brighter rotating screen, and next-level AI features, this little device proves that professional-grade filmmaking doesn't have to come with bulky gear. It's sleek, smart, and designed for anyone who wants to create without limits. From vloggers and travelers to filmmakers and storytellers, the Pocket 4 brings cinematic storytelling within reach for everyone. DJI continues to blur the line between innovation and artistry, and the Pocket 4 might just be their boldest step yet. So, what do you think? Could this be the ultimate compact camera of the future? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your take. Thanks for tuning in to Technify. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more deep dives into the latest and greatest in tech and filmmaking. Until next time, stay creative and keep making art that inspires.